So this is a slant board. And here's Jack and I, we're in Manchester. We've just done a series in the lovely Tatton Hotel. Beautiful, beautiful old building. And we're doing our morning walk, and then we found this park. And it's got a slant board. So what's a slant board? Now, if it wasn't wet from the morning dew, I would lie on it and show you that you have your feet up here, or you could even put your knees down there and your feet down there, and you lie down with your head here, and you do this for a purpose. And the purpose is so that all your internal organs actually fall up because of gravity. If there was a lady in a house round here that had prolapse, I would suggest she come here twice a day and for 10 minutes lie on this slant board. And when she lies on the slant board, her prolapsed organs, they fall up. And the more they're up in the right position, the more they will stay there. The first day, her prolapse might fall down after an hour. The second day, it might fall down after an hour and a half. The third day, it might fall down after 2 hours. Can you see what's happening? And as the weeks go by, it stays up longer and longer. Did you know that 100 years ago, this was the remedy for prolapse?
Okay, so if I was to get on this one, I would just swing on it?
The best thing would be to put your feet on there, and then I'll help you go back.
Oh, wow.
Voila! Now, even though my young friend Jack does not have a prolapse, it doesn't hurt everyone. Can you feel that?
I can feel it.
It feels so nice. Now, what's in this area here? In here we've got the colon. It will help with a colon prolapse. What else have we got in here? Bladder. It can help with a bladder prolapse. What else has the lady got in there? She's got her uterus. And so everything's falling up. And that's why it's a good idea to lie there for 10 minutes. Oh, if only every woman in the town knew about the slant board. And I'm sure there's quite a few women in this town with prolapses. So simple. Let me help you up.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
It's not as low as I thought.
It's a good idea to just even feel it.
It feels good, actually, because of all my C-sections.
Yeah.
It feels really good. Thank you, Barbara. And that was Outdoor Teachings with Barbara.